Hello, White House. My name is Jocelyn Brown, and I'm here in Blantyre, Malawi. Sorry I couldn't make it today, but I wanted to tell you about my work here at Queen Elizabeth Central Hospital as one of the innovators of the USAID Saving Lives at Birth Grand Challenge. During my senior year at Rice University, I began to develop a low-cost bubble CPAP device to treat respiratory illness in infants, the leading cause of global child mortality. Over the past few years, I have continued to work with our team of engineers, doctors, and nurses from the US and Malawi to further develop and test our device. CPAP is a proven technology in the US, but it has not been widely used in the developing world because it is too expensive. We plan to change that by implementing our CPAP device first in Malawi and then expanding to other developing countries. Our testing results show that with our CPAP device, infants in Malawi receive the same level of therapeutic pressure that infants in the US receive with similar CPAP devices, but for a fraction of the cost. In the developed world, CPAP systems can cost as much as $6,000. Our CPAP device can be made for as little as $160. In my brief time here so far, I have seen how quickly babies improve on CPAP and how relieved their mothers feel when their children begin to breathe more easily. The very first patient we put on CPAP was a bronchiolitic baby whose oxygen saturation was dangerously low upon arrival at the hospital. Before starting CPAP, she was non-responsive, but within minutes of receiving CPAP support, her oxygen levels greatly improved, and she was able to interact with her mother. Just hours later, she was able to nurse, and 5 days later, she was discharged from the hospital. It was amazing to see the baby recover when she had the assistance of the CPAP and did not have to work so hard to breathe. It was so rewarding for me to know that my work as a bioengineer made a huge impact in the lives of this baby and mother. We're very excited about the potential for our CPAP device to significantly reduce neonatal mortality in places like Malawi. Thank you for your support in this endeavor to save lives at birth.